Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my messy garage. Somebody commented me, they wanted to know if the M-18 tire inflator, which I haven't used really yet, if this fits, which container it fits in. The reason I purchased this, well, there's a lot of reasons, but one of the reminders of the reasons I purchased this is the review I did on essentially the Milwaukee ammo box. Somebody said that they put their tire inflator in here. So let's put it in here, let's put it in this, and let's put it in this, and just kind of get a size comparison. Just a quick video. So let's open this up. There we go. Let's pull out this. And this is a new one. I told you I liked it. It fits in here. It's actually a little tight because when you see this part here, that kind of gets in the way. It kind of gets in the way if you can see that. Let me switch this around. See if it fits better this way. It actually is a little bit tight in here. It fits, but it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. It kind of sticks up a couple inches. It actually fits a little awkward. I'm surprised. So if you do it at an angle, it fits a little bit better. And I grabbed another battery. The batteries fit in there, but this is the fit. I don't know. Probably the most convenient way to carry this. That might be the most convenient, but it doesn't fit perfect. It's a little bit awkward. And this is the M-18 tire inflator. Matter of fact, it's really kind of awkward. It kind of fits in at a weird angle. No matter what way you do it, it doesn't fit perfect. It's not made for this. It's a little bit awkward. So you can see it kind of sits in here. Bring it in. I don't know. It's actually, I hit myself in the face. It's a little bit awkward. Let me put this back. So that's a little bit awkward. Let's set this aside. And since I have this on top, these I like. I haven't done a review on them. I've got them packed full of stuff. This is a new one I just picked up to add to the collection. I've got plenty of things to put in it, but obviously it fits in this fine. Like there's a lot of room in this. This is how much room. Matter of fact, you can put a lot of batteries. You could probably, yeah, you could get two of these tire inflators in here. If that's how much room it takes up. So, tire inflator would fit in this, slide in, pack in, and height-wise, it's, if you could see it, height-wise it fits in good. Like it fits in very good. So this crate's pretty universal, that's why I like them. Let's put them in the large toolbox and see how this works. Open this up. I'm going to pull out the little drawer. So it won't fit this way. I thought it would fit lengthwise. It doesn't. It obviously fits this way fine. Lots of room. So you can fit the tire inflator. Can you put this in with the tire inflator? I don't think you can. So you can if you lay the tire inflator sideways, which I don't know if I like doing. I like setting it on its legs. So you can fit that in and close it. That'll work. But without this, it obviously stands up fine. Fits in. You can get two. You can actually get two tire inflators, or tire inflator and plenty of other tools. And I think this is a decent fit. You've got a lot of room. Maybe overkill for this, but if you want to carry other things along, this may be the way to do it. if you're doing other things, yeah, it carries good. So that is the fit on the M18 tire inflator in the boxes I have right here in front of me. If you want to see it in another box, let me know. I probably have that box. If not, I need it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the comments. Let me know what you store your M18 tire inflator, or if you have the M12. Let me know what you think about the tire inflator. I'm interested in using it. It just started to get cold here in Michigan. I've got a couple tires I actually want to fill up, but they're at another location. So I'm going to test this on those tires, and I'll show you that test video soon. But thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.